Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious bubble drink. First, gather all your ingredients, including tapioca pearls, your favorite tea, milk, and a sweetener. You'll also need basic kitchen tools like a pot, a strainer, and some serving cups with wide straws. Choosing a good quality tea, such as black, green, or oolong, is key to a flavorful drink. Make sure everything is ready before you begin the cooking process. Next, let's perfect those chewy tapioca pearls. Start by boiling about 6 cups of water for every 1 cup of dry pearls you plan to use. Once the water is at a rolling boil, add the pearls and cook them for 20 to 30 minutes, stirring occasionally to prevent sticking. After cooking, remove from heat and let them rest in the hot water for 10 minutes. Finally, rinse them with cool water and sweeten them with a simple syrup for the best texture and taste. Now, let's brew your tea and prepare the sweetener. For a strong tea concentrate, use about 1 cup of hot water per tea bag or 1 tablespoon of loose leaf tea. Steep your tea for 3 to 5 minutes depending on your desired strength, then let it cool. For the simple syrup, combine 1 part sugar with 1 part hot water, stirring until the sugar fully dissolves. This syrup will sweeten both your tea and your pearls, allowing you to customize the sweetness level. Finally, it's time to assemble your refreshing bubble tea. Begin by adding a generous scoop of your sweetened tapioca pearls to the bottom of your serving glass. Next, pour in your freshly brewed and cooled tea, filling the glass about halfway. Then, add your preferred milk or creamer, leaving some space for ice. Top with plenty of ice cubes and insert a wide straw. Now you can enjoy your perfectly crafted, homemade bubble tea.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.